Alright, welcome back guys, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to Sun City Harley. We're going to spend the day with Dan the Harley Man, and we're going to install nitrous on my 2016 Dyna wide glide. So check this one out. Guys, so before we go there and get stuck into it, I just want to put some fresh fuel in the baby because, you know, octane levels and all that shit. So we're going to chuck some fresh fat in her and then we'll slip around and get stuck in. Not gonna lie, slightly nervous about how this is gonna go. Well, today will be easy. We're just installing an dyno run, and a separate video will be the first ride. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. In the instructions, it's like, do not, under any circumstances, press the button if you are not in top gear. I'm like, oh, what? And then it goes, because you will flip the motorcycle. I'm like, oh, fuck, okay. We probably don't want to do that. So we'll see what happens on the dyno anyway and go from there. But, you know, I'm definitely going to be pressing the button. So. Alright, we got premium, yep, 98 dead dynos. That's us. Okay, see you soon. Alright, there we go. Let's do it. So has anyone ever done nice on a Harley before, or any other sort of motorbike? Can you give me some tips, advice, tricks, hacks, anything? Hook a brother up, leave a comment below. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I'm active as hell on there. I'm on there every single day, so this is the thing to type in to find me. Oh, and in case you didn't hear about it guys, the fishing shirts are in and they come out sweet. I'll show you a photo of what they look like here. I'm wrapped with them, wrapped. So we've got it up for pre-order on the website. If you're interested in grabbing one, just jump onto skidpig.com and you'll see it. It's right at the top. We got beanies, hats are sold out. Trying to find a different supplier because they really dropped the ball there. They won, well, I would have been losing $10 every hat I sold. So yeah, I'll just put all that as sold out for now, and we'll worry about it again later. But yeah, skidpig.com guys, check that shit out if you're interested. You can get stickers and all sorts of crap. But anyway, here we are, Sun City Harley and Yamaha and Can-Am and CD and all that cool shit. It is time. Hi! Alright. Let's do it. Here we go. How tight do you do it?
Like a dolphin's butt, man.
Oh yeah.
Water tight. Oh. What's happening, YouTube?
I don't know.
No.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Just hanging
Holy
out.
shit, that's fast.
Playing the tender. That's what she said to me as driving.
That was fast too.
And she's talking about my ass.
What's up, Edie? What do you got there, bro?
Average Aussie adventures.
Hell yeah. So what's the plan, dude?
We're going to put, I think, this on that.
On here.
Yep.
Where's that gonna fit? On the stand next to it? Oh hell yeah.
Yeah.
I'll just strap it to that.
Yeah, that'd be right. You can put it on your bag if you want.
That'd be cool.
On your bars.
Alright, so here's all the bits. So you just need to grab all them, throw them on that, and then put on the dyno. That's pretty much it, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
pretty
sweet.
much.
Let's do that then.
Alright, let's go.
What's stage 1, dude?
What's stage 1?
Yeah. Step 1.
Get a coffee.
Get a coffee. You done that?
I've done that now.
Yep. What's step 2?
Step 2 will be number 2s.
Do a poo.
Poo-poo.
Okay, yep. Have you done that yet?
No, wait.
Yeah, you done?
Oh.
Okay, step 3 is probably change the jocks.
No, I like my poo-poo pants.
Leave it in there.
Leave them in there.
Okay, step 4. Take the air cleaner off.
No, take the air cleaner off so you can put a valve in there.
Yep.
That we can spray the NOS internally into it. It has to cover the air temp intake sensor, so thus trick the bike to thinking it's extremely cold air going in it, so it makes it super duper rich.
Yep.
And otherwise you will get leanness, and leanness is badness.
Alright.
And leanness will go pop an engine.
Okay, we don't want to pop it.
No, I don't pop it.
Ooh. Very cool. We just leave it like that. It looks cool like that.
You're good.
Just put a sock in there to stop dirt.
Ah, sponge.
Sponge, yep.
These sponges. Sponges are sweet.
More breathable.
Yeah.
So we need to drill a hole in my air cleaner.
I reckon we'll drill a hole in it.
Sweet.
Around there. Maybe somewhere in there. So it's maybe goes in.
In is good.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's do that.
Alright.
So we're going to go drill some holes in this. 2 nozzles, 1 on each side. 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom.
Yep.
Cool. There we go. Lovely. Look at this cool bit of gear. Gets better on the other side. Ooh. Hey Dan, how much power does this thing make?
Huh?
How much power does it make?
I don't know it yet.
You haven't done it yet?
Nah, haven't done it yet.
Looks fast.
Still getting all that up. It's just dummy fitting on there at the moment.
Yeah, righto. Cool. Put a Loctite on there, mate.
Yeah, bit of Reggie dead.
Yeah. Because that would suck having the nut come off inside the motor.
Yeah.
Probably not good.
Nah. Yeah.
So that's both holes drilled.
Yeah.
That's step 7 done.
Yeah.
What's next?
Step 8.
Alright, fittings are in.
Fittings are in.
Something's on the dyno out the back.
Weird ass sizing shit. Some's metric, some's imperial.
So how come you show up all the time with all your badges on your shirt?
Because I like badges, I just collect them.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Move.
And I like the way they rub against my nipples.
Yep.
I just like that.
I like it.
Yeah, I know you do. I can see that by
I like that you like it.
I can see that by the bulge in your pants.
That's right. These are just tight jeans. Okay?
I've tied it up. So that will go like that, and then that will go like that, and then it'll go, fuck them.
Cool. I can dig it.
Can you?
What's up, Jake? Alright, we got the jets here. See if this shit will focus. Oh, look at that. Amaze balls. So what sizes have we got, dude?
15 horsepower, 30 horsepower, and 40 horsepower.
So is there an option for 300 horsepower?
We can add them all together.
Yeah.
That works, doesn't it?
Yeah, that sounds cool. This fancy toolbox.
You just like, strap in or strap on.
Mmm. Sexy. Alright, solenoid time.
Yeah, boy.
She's on. So what one did you pick? The middle?
Middle one.
30 horsepower.
We'll do a 30.
Why are you so scared?
Because I'm the one that's going to be sitting on it when I freaking screw the throttle on.
That's true. Well, we can always put the bigger one in.
We can always
later.
put the big one another day.
Roger. Alright, well that's all mounted up now, and then we've put the switch up here. So then just got to run the wiring down there to the solenoid, which is on the other side. So there's a better view of the switch. Run the wires down to the solenoid, which goes in with the horn. So with the switch, dude, how does that work?
So it arms your system. So when it's down, you hear just a normal horn, beep beep beep. When you flick it up, it turns the horn off, and that becomes your NOS button.
So you press the horn to use the NOS.
To use the NOS, to give it a hit. You go shh.
So you got to make sure you got the switch in the right spot and you're not just beeping at someone because you might stack it.
Yeah. So you always sort of make it so it's armed up. So if anyone bumps it, it's always going to bump off.
Yeah. So
Can't
up is
bump
on.
up.
Up is on. Yeah. Cool.
Like your dick.
Cheers.
You know it's on when it's up.
Yeah, I'll be taking that out.
No, you won't.
Yeah. Alright, just mounting the solenoid.
You've got to have it the right way so you can read it.
Oh yeah.
Can't remember which one I didn't put Loctite on. That one.
Fancy. We should still be able to see that with the cleaner on so I can show off.
Look at this.
Looking good. Alright, done.
On this side, and then we go finish the wiring.
That's cool. You can still see the solenoid. I like it. I reckon it looks cool, man.
Yeah. Find a nice place for that bottle and work out the line.
Yep.
It's long so we can put the big bottle on.
Yeah, sweet. Just sit it next to it for
Yep.
the dyno.
You'd always get a little one made up too. A little bottle.
Yeah, cool. We'll still need to get this machined so it's bigger, so it can actually go on the frame.
Yep.
Because the bottle can't sit horizontally, it has to be vertical.
Oh, we could always move that back too, onto a rear one or something.
No, I think that's a good spot. I think it looks good.
Mess with it.
Yeah. I'm happy with that.
Might have to use a relay through it. Even though they reckon if there's 12 volt at your horn, you don't.
But you do.
But this one's got 12 volts at the horn.
Well, that clicked again.
Yeah.
Yeah, it clicked again then.
No, we're gonna have to put a relay in.
Bugger.
Oh.
Oh well. Alright, little update. Had to wire in a relay just because. Focus. There we go. So that's the last thing, and then it should be sweet.
Yep. Then we'll give it a hit and make sure the solenoid goes tick tick. It looks a bit rough at the moment because we just
Yeah, we got to tidy up the wires, but
just get it so it at least works.
yep, sweet as. And then it's up to you, big buddy, for the dyno.
Yeah.
See if it blows up.
Pretty much it. We'll be on the dyno soon enough.
Yep. Cool. Well, we will get back to you eventually. So the plan is just to sit the big bottle next to it, like that, so we can get a few runs out of it, because that little bottle is only little, so obviously it doesn't hold a lot
Really?
of gas. Yeah.
I hate when little bottles are big.
Yeah. Sucks, eh? Because you still call them little, but you
Yeah.
should just call them big. Yeah, alright. Anyway, that's the plan. Just sit it next to it, make sure it's all sweet. Need to adapt this I think I may have already said this, but it has to go vertical instead of horizontal. I'm pretty sure I have said that.
Yeah, you said that.
Oh, I've said it again now. And then that's it. Cool. So I'll leave the dyno stuff up to Dan. I'll leave the GoPro with him. I'll take the M50 and let him do his thing. But thanks for watching.